everyone and welcome back to Primary Tutor Scotland. Today we've got a science video for you to do. It's an experiment that you can do outside in the garden, or this one isn't actually too messy. You should be able to do it in the house. Now for our past two experiments, which I'll put in the description below, we have been looking at the states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. And we've been showing you different experiments that you can do with these states of matter. So today we're going to do a self-blowing up balloon. Now a balloon would have been great to do, and if you've got a balloon in your house then go for it, but I don't. And also the shops seem to not have balloons at this time of year. I don't know, maybe it's because of lockdown and not many people are having parties, but all I have is a cleaning glove. But it works just the same. So let's head out to the garden and see what we're going to do. So our science experiment today is going to be used with, what do you know, the exact same ingredients for another 2 weeks. So I've got some vinegar here, not much, just over 100 mils, a plain juice bottle, and I've put a hair bobble around it, or you could get an elastic band, bicarbonate soda or baking powder, and you should have a balloon, but the shops don't have balloons these days, so I've got just a regular cleaning glove that you might use to clean the kitchen or the bathroom or something, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add our vinegar into our bottle. Now we're putting in less this time, because we don't want the huge reaction like we've had all the other times. We don't want it to come frothing up. We just want the gas to be released enough to expand the glove, or what it should be, the balloon. So now we're going to pour our baking powder, and if you're using a balloon you might need to use a funnel. Okay, so once you've got your baking soda in your balloon or glove, you're going to tie it round, which is why you needed your hair bobble or elastic band. Okay, so now what you need to do is you just need to tip your balloon up, or your gloves up, so that all the baking soda in the balloon falls into the vinegar. And here we go! It's expanding because of the air, and you've got a self-blown up balloon. How cool! So there you have it, a self-blowing up balloon or glove. So we've been looking at the three states of matter of solid, liquid and gas. Now we know that solids don't fill up their space, liquids do, and gases certainly do. So even though that my glove was an awkward shape, it had all the fingers, when the gas carbon dioxide was released because of the reaction between the vinegar and the baking powder, the gas was released and it filled the whole container. It filled the whole glove, so that even though it wasn't a perfect round shape like a balloon would have been, it still expanded to make sure that the whole glove was inflated. We have lots of other videos on this channel, not just science. We've got place value, spelling, phonics, reading, multiplication, division, lots of different areas with lots of different playlists. So check them out, subscribe.